Want to see Instagram Reels watch history? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. This will take you to settings and activity. Here, scroll down and find the option of your activity. Select that. Now you will find different sections here such as interactions, removed and archived content, content you share, suggested content, and finally you have how you use Instagram section. Here you will find a couple of options. Go ahead and select the watch history option. This is a new feature. This feature allows you to see all of your Instagram Reels watch history. So from here you can simply find all of that. You can also filter it. As you can see, you can sort by newest to oldest. You can also sort by dates. You can also sort by authors. So in this way, you can easily check out all the reels that you have watched. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.